ngayon, hindi na siya voluntary repatriation dahil binaba na yung alert level. From alert level 3, ito ay binaba na nung, I think it was July 1st, ng alert level 2. So back to alert level 2, which is the restriction stage or restriction phase. Voluntaryo, again, I am emphasizing it's a voluntary departure program. If the OFW would like to go home because meron siyang agam-agam or meron siyang iniisip na it's better for him to go home.
Sa Pilipinas.
Given the current situation. And then, ano naman yan, aasistihan naman yan ng Philippine Embassy in Tel Aviv at ganun din ang Philippine ng Migrant Workers Office. Meron tayong opisina sa Israel, sa Tel Aviv.
All they have to do lang, Yusek, o yung mga kamag-anak po, pamilya ng mga nakikinig at nanonood sa atin sa Sentro Serbisyo po, Serbisyong OFW ngayong Friday, ay makipag-ugnayan lamang po sa ating Philippine Embassy sa Tel Aviv at biglang a-actionan po ninyo from on the part of the Department of Migrant Workers. Hindi po ba, Yusek?
Yes. Meron naman yung mga, I think they have to be aware of the Philippine Embassy in Tel Aviv. There's a Facebook page. They can always access that, and also yung mga numbers ay nakalagay doon, mga contact points. Ngayon din dito rin sa DMW, kung halimbawa yung mother or yung father or yung husband or your wife nag-aalala at gusto na niyang pauwiin yung asawa.
Uwi ka na.
Dahil, sige, ngayon, wala pang kaguluhan, huwag tayo mag-antay, baka ganun yung konsepto ng mga family members dito. They can always ask the help of the DMW. So, just dial 1348.
1348, okay po.
That's the DMW OWA number, and a staff would be able to take note and ipaparating yan sa atin. Gayon din sa ating Migrant Workers Office or the Labor Attaché or the Welfare Officer in Tel Aviv.
And our hotline, 1348 is 24/7 po na bukas para sa ating mga kababayan. Okay, that's very good.